Why is Pluto not a planet? Well, Pluto was founded by astronomer Tom Baugh in 1930 as a planet as seen in the image. Pluto had the status of a planet for over 76 years, lasting from 1930 to 2006. But what happened in 2006? Well, Pluto was kind of demoted from the planet status. But why? To answer why, we first need to take a look at who did this. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, or simply the IAU, came up with a set of three rules that defined the planet. The three rules that defined the planet were: rule number one, the body needs to orbit the sun. Rule number two, the body needs to have enough mass to be in spherical shape. Rule number three, the body needs to clear its orbit with the help of its gravity. Although Pluto's orbit around the Sun is very strange and elliptical, it does orbit the Sun, which means it satisfies the first criteria. Pluto is the 18th most massive object in the solar system, which means it is pretty massive, a little less than the Earth's moon. So its gravity can keep it in the spherical shape, so it satisfies the second criteria as well. Up till now, things have been pretty good going for Pluto as it has satisfied the first two criterias. But so have many other objects in our solar system, such as Ceres, Makemake, Eris, etc. Now comes the third part. The body needs to clear its orbit. So, has Pluto not cleared its orbit? Well, you see, Pluto orbits the Sun in a region called the Kuiper Belt, which is similar to the asteroid belt, filled with hundreds and thousands of small pieces of rock made of ice and other rocky material separated from each other by a few dozen kilometers. There are so many of these objects that it is hard for a body so small like Pluto to drive them off its orbit with the help of its gravity. Pluto doesn't have a gravitational force so strong so that it can either make these objects go into outer space or crash them into it. And therefore, Pluto is unable to clear its orbit, which as a result made it go out of the planet's scan.